What is commingling of separate property? Well, community property is all of the assets that have been acquired after and during the date of marriage. Separate property is assets that have been acquired before the marriage. And so couples can come into a marriage with separate property, then they're married, and now they're creating community property. And sometimes they take their separate property and they put it into the community property, or they commingle it. Maybe they take a bank account and put it into a joint bank account with them and their spouse on it, and now that money's all mixed up. Or you might have a separate property home, but then you start using community property wages to pay the mortgage on that home, and so you've commingled it. And so one of the ways to pull out or trace the separate property that you put in the community property is to actually trace it and to kind of show the court that you can see it. And that is how you would trace separate property and show that it's not part of community property, and therefore it doesn't have to be divided equally.